Now, the big word in technology, artificial intelligence, it is meant to revolutionize many things, from writing an essay to flying aeroplanes.
Have you ever tried using an AI image generator like Midjourney or Bing to create custom text or designs, but ended up with disappointing results that looked like gibberish? In the ever-changing AI landscape, a new character has emerged that promises to redefine the way we think about AI-generated images. Step into the future of digital design with Ideogram, an incredible AI advancement that reshapes AI images infused into text script. Let's dig deeper. Meet ideogram.ai, a revolutionary startup that not only offers the ability to create unique text and images, but is also now free to use. On October 22, 2023, Ideogram.ai announced its major entry into the AI arena. With a massive $16.5 million in seed funding led by a 16Z and Index Ventures, the company has set the stage for something epic. Ideogram.ai provides an elegant and user-friendly interface. At the top of the screen, you'll find a prompt that allows you to create an image by simply entering the text or description of your choice. Whether you need a logo, poster, or any other image with consistent text, Ideogram.ai can be a valuable tools in your creative arsenal. But Ideogram.ai is more than just an image creation tool. It is an official social media platform. Convert text into visually appealing images. It is user-friendly and thus offers an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Provides many creative visual styles. Prompt variations allowing flexible text input options. You can discover popular and trendy creations. Compact profile section to organize and display your created images. Ideogram.ai, developed by former Google Brain researchers, is a revolutionary AI image generator capable of creating superior realistic text in images. Unlike competitors like Midjourney, Ideogram specializes in text-based design and is currently available for free without a waiting list. This innovative tool, backed by significant seed funding, redefined graphic design, who previously led transformative AI projects at Google Brain, UC Berkeley, CMU, and the University of Toronto. Our foundational work in AI includes the following: denoising diffusion model, image, Google's text-to-image conversion system, image and video for video synthesis, WaveGrad for speech synthesis, neural speech recognition, neural machine translation, contrast learning to learn visual representations, and synthetic learning by conflict imitation. Ideogram's founding team is nothing short of a dream team. With such intellectual support, Ideogram.ai is ready for success. One of Ideogram.ai's most notable features is its ability to generate highly coherent text, making it one of the top contenders in the world of AI image generation. For example, when asked to create a neon sign that read "RIP Midjourney," Ideogram.ai did a great job creating a neon sign that conveyed the message accurately. In one example, the company was tasked with creating a sleeveless t-shirt featuring Donald Trump's "I Heart Joe Biden" tattoo. Although he did not follow the prompts exactly, he still incorporated the essence of the request: longer text and creativity. AI pictograms are not limited to short pieces of text. They can also handle longer text. Whether you need a tagline or broader message, Ideogram.ai can create cohesive, visually appealing text. Most of the images created demonstrate the software's ability to maintain text accuracy while providing unique and attractive designs. One of the most notable examples is a logo that features 4 correctly spelled words, combined with an aesthetically pleasing design. These logos can be used for a variety of purposes, from corporate branding to personal projects. Ideogram.ai opens up a world of creative possibilities with its next-generation capabilities. Well, it really shines when it comes to logo design rather than text creation. It can seamlessly integrate text into logo designs with amazing precision. The fonts used in the logo match the overall style, creating logos that are not only visually appealing but also convey a clear message. Some of the logos created by Ideogram.ai are simply stunning. For example, he created a poster for a fictional movie called The Dog Father, featuring an adorable pug in the iconic style of the Godfather logo. Text is spelled correctly and in the correct font, demonstrating Ideogram.ai's exceptional attention to detail. The web app, available for beta registration, offers a typography preset among its styling options. This allows users to create images with text elements displayed in different colors, fonts, sizes, and styles. From 3D renderings to fashion and concept art, the platform allows users to choose and combine multiple styles seamlessly. This feature opens up a lot of opportunities for content creators, marketers, and even data scientists. Although many AI tools come at a high price, Ideogram AI is now free to use. Challenges of access? Now that you're intrigued by the capabilities of Ideogram AI, you may be wondering how to access this amazing tool. So if you want to get started with Ideogram, just go to ideogram.ai and sign up for free with your Google account. Enter your text, choose a style, and let the tool create stunning images for you in seconds. But wait, for now, Ideogram AI is invite only. However, the good news is that you have the option to access it. But if you don't get an invite, there's still hope. So why is Ideogram better than Midjourney? To truly appreciate Ideogram AI's capabilities, it is essential to compare it with its competitors, and one of the major players in this space is Midjourney. While Midjourney excels at producing detailed, realistic, and sharp images, it has an important limitation. The text generation in these images is not good. This makes Ideogram a more versatile tool for those who need to create believable text, whether creating brand logos, adding captions, or overlaying quotes on images. Although it takes several tries, users can expect at least one positive result. Remixing the selected result can easily yield better spell results. While Ideogram AI excels at creating coherent text, Midjourney and DALL-E have strengths, especially in creating photorealistic images. However, what Ideogram AI lacks in realism, it makes up for in-text accuracy and creativity. Ideogram AI allows users to remix images, allowing them to tweak text and design until they achieve the desired result. This iterative approach fosters creativity and often leads to impressive results. Surreal images, text-to-image conversion, logo creation, and creative art, free to use without a watermark. The main thing that attracts customers, as we have already discussed, is the simple design, flexible styling, user-friendliness, and customization options, and community involvement. So what about the disadvantages? However, like its competitors, Ideogram has its imperfections. Lack of learning curve for customers and no premium exclusive features. Users may experience peculiar renderings of hands and faces, unrealistic lines and colors, and occasional typos. Ideogram AI is not just another AI tool. It is a revolutionary platform that offers unique features and is now free to use. While it may not be cutting edge in every way, it is a testament to the continued advances in AI technology and the limitless creativity that lies ahead. Ideogram AI is a tool you cannot ignore. So what do you think about Ideogram? Is it going to be the next AI revolution? Comment down your thoughts and predictions. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.